So I try to play very smooth, and first of all think I need to find the grip again, because it's changing all the time. But that's the way we should, this is the angle we should look at, not much more than this. Wait here till the front grips again.
Brake or just balancing with the throttle?
Normally I balance with the throttle. Here in the last one I should have braked.
Okay.
Now I know, so the next time I will be a bit slower to avoid, because the problem is once you start losing completely like I did, you have to wait so much till it gets back in that that is no point. So there are some drivers that use the brake like tack, a little bit, and they stop. It's another technique. I normally don't use in this. I prefer to feel it once it starts balancing, but it's also possibility.
So an aggressive little small brake to put balance back in the front,
exactly.
So to push your tires on the snow.
Yeah, but then you have to use left foot braking.
Yeah.
See, I try to do it a little bit now. So you go, yeah, wait.
Okay, one more left.
See?
Then we are finished on this track.
Now it's better. You feel now? It's much better than before. Much more control. So okay, this lap was much better, much more control.
That was a sweet slide, huh?
Yeah. But
and that was by throttle only. So
by throttle, yeah, but
okay.
Again I try to do it once more so you can see. Feel the time I wait and I let the car rotate.
Yeah, indeed. We counter steer way too soon.
And another thing very important with a 4-wheel drive car, if you counter steer, you go wide.
Yeah.
Look at my steering wheel,
Yeah.
and I'm always pointing inside, or straight, or pointing inside.
It's completely opposite to propulsion cars.
Yeah, exactly.
Because I'm used to these.
So here is just find the balance, try to make it easy.
Okay, gentlemen, please park the cars in
Here
one
I
row.
throw and inside.
One row, yeah.
Inside or straight, inside or straight, inside or straight.
No, I hope
See?
you enjoy the drifting experience.
The car drifts, but with control. If I do now, I do a counter steer. You will see.
Je hebt wel veel belanging in de car.
You see? The car just
Yeah. Now I feel
went
it.
left.